CSN is like a spa, but for your car. Yes, this is goji-infused basil water, and yes, this is an actual CSN reception area. Accidents happen, but you can take comfort in knowing that CSN Collision Centres will get you back on the road safely. Follow me. I'll take you on the behind-the-scenes tour. This isn't your uncle's neighbor's dark and greasy auto body shop. CSN Collision Centres are bright, modern, and spotlessly clean. 5-second rule. All of our technicians are highly trained specialists whose #1 priority is to get you back on the road safely. Right, guys?
Right.
As a race car driver, I've seen a lot of advanced technology, but I haven't seen anything quite like this. CSN is setting the pace and leading the industry with the latest and greatest equipment. Diagnostic scanning, infrared curing, environmental air filtration, and state-of-the-art paint booths. Guys? But what really sets CSN apart is customer service and attention to detail. See? With locations all across Canada, CSN repairs over 200,000 vehicles a year. At CSN Collision Centres, our mission is to deliver safety, reliability, and trust to every Canadian. CSN Collision Centres, we'll straighten it out.